Have you heard of heat pumps but aren't sure what they do? We at Rodenhiser are happy to explain. Heat pumps are high-efficiency, low-emission systems that provide an all-in-one solution for both heating and cooling. Heat pumps work by extracting heat from outside and transferring it inside of your home. The electricity supplied to the unit is not creating the heat, but powering the motors that are transferring the absorbed heat into your home. Heat pumps can be added as a supplement to existing systems or installed as your primary heating and cooling system, regardless of whether you have a ducted or ductless home. Heat pumps are better for the environment, and the reduction in fuel costs can mean dramatic savings. Want to learn more about heat pumps? Contact Rodenhiser Home Services, your heat pump experts.